We're not paying anybody. We're just doing it for a friend. Birthday! Looking good. What are we doing with the chair? Can we find something for the chair? Guys, we're planning a surprise decoration for my coworker. You're gonna see her face, our expression when she comes in. We're just fixing up our chair right now. So, yes, let the party begins. So, stay tuned. As soon as she comes in, surprise!
Happy birthday!
Look at that. Happy birthday, Penny.
You're a star!
You are a star. You know, so we're full. We're full. But, yes, decoration going up. Yeah. It's the decorator there, you know. Next YouTube star coming soon.
Yes, that's
Yeah. Get it going. Yes. Yes, guys. It's coming on. The decorator. You can book her here. She's very good. Yes. A coworker, them full of talent. Kid over. Yes. Basket decorating. Oh my God, I can't wait to see her face when she comes in here. Ooh. So I'm gonna need. I'm busy today, guys. Very busy. It's a birthday, but it's a busy day. Birthday happenings, everything happenings right here.
Alright.
Yes. Hey. We're not paying anybody. We're just doing it for a friend. Birthday! Looking good. What are we doing with the chair? Can we find something for the chair? Decoration still coming. So guys, it's an office setup, you know, so we have to be discreet. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. When she comes in here, she's gonna be surprised. Sir, wow. Birthday. Who is that? Oh, we just don't want her to come in surprise.
She would not be knocked.
It. Oh my God. She's transforming the place. Yes.
This is very neat.
She's so flexible, guys. She don't ask me to reach, you know. Reach it for her, you know. She just flick over and there it goes. So we're all set, guys. Waiting for the birthday girl to come along. Yes. So we are waiting. As soon as she's here, you're gonna hear surprise. Finished product. We are ready for her, guys. Yes, we are ready for her. A few minutes later. Surprise! Fellow, she's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. And so, come on, sprinkler. It's your day, Penny. Oh, Osha.
Happy birthday, Penny. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Look at this mess. Only for the birthday girls.
Have a seat. Penny, your desk was decorated just for you. Code blue to the world.
Code blue to the world.
It's your birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday. And that's alright. It's happy birthday. Happy birthday. And guess what? You're always a star.
Thank you.
And this is your day.
Thank you.
Hairstyle. Sweet 16. Of course. Alright.
Wow, what a birthday surprise it was, guy.
Yes.
I'm trembling, I'm nervous, and it wasn't me. Oh my God, oh my God.
I am not
It's a
coming
good
to
day.
work. I didn't plan to come to work, and I'm not coming to work again on my birthday.
Yeah, you don't want nobody.
Oh my, oh my. I'm
I should
so
be in
sorry.
England with my sister.
You hear that, guys? I'm
Because
so
of
sorry.
Thanks to COVID, you share it with us at least.
And many hours later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord.
Want some rum cream now?
Yeah, chop.
You hear that cider?
Chop.
We'll cut in now.
One.
One.
Cut in the cake.
Yeah, cut in.
Yeah. So now.
Wow, what a birthday surprise it was, guy. I'm trembling, I'm nervous, and it wasn't me. Oh my God, oh my God.
I am not
It's a good. Remember to like this video, share, and subscribe with your families and friends.
Yes.
Bye. Out for now.